Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today you are going to learn about chemicals and chemical changes. So don't get afraid of chemicals because what we are using daily day to day life, even the water is one of the mineral contain one oxygen and hydrogen elements. So like that the matter, all the matters are made of what? Atom. So in this lesson you are going to learn about the chemicals and the chemical changes. So what are chemical substance? The chemical substance is nothing but they are made of atoms and molecules. What are atoms? All the matter around us. All the matter around us are made of atom, tiny particle called atom. So if you go for the living things are made of the tiny one is called what? Cell. The same way in the non-living things all made of the tiny particles called atom. So if the atoms are separately they can exist as well as their combined form. If they can exist as a single one is called what? Atom. And then if two or more atoms, if the two or more atoms are combined are called what? Molecules. So in day to day life we are using on water. So the water is made of hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. So this is considered as one of the chemical. The chemical is made of, all the chemical substance are made of one atoms only. So what we are using day to day life, without water we cannot able to survive. So that water is made of one hydrogen and oxygen atom. And next then the common salt, what we are using common salt in our food is called sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, in this contain sodium atom and chlorine atom. See here it is going two different color, one is sodium, another one is chlorine, sodium, chlorine, like that. So the substance is going to be made of sodium and chlorine atom if they combine to form as a molecule. And then helium gas. So the helium gas, it is made of atom only, single, it won't combine with another atom. It is made of single element called what? Helium gas. That helium gas can be used in the filling of balloons. If you go for the celebration, you can see that the balloons are going to be lifted by using what? By filling the helium gas only. So in our day to day life here the material or the matters all made of what? Atoms and molecules. So that we are going to see in this lesson. So the what is that atom? Atom is nothing but the tiny particle. Atom is nothing but the tiny particle. So each and every matter on this universe, each and every matters on this universe is made of tiny particles, millions and millions of tiny particles. So that is called atom. And then molecules, the two or more atoms. Two or more atoms combined to form the molecule. What I say? So for the respiration, for one of the essential for the living things is oxygen. Oxygen also, so atom combined with the two oxygen atom to form what? Oxygen molecule. This only we are using for the inhaling oxygen gas. And then see for example here oxygen atom is O and hydrogen is H. These two combine or form water molecule. See this oxygen, how many oxygen atom? One oxygen atom. And how many hydrogen atoms are here? Two hydrogen atoms. So these three atoms are combined to form as a molecule. So that can be represented as what? H2O. Why it is H2O? Two atoms are involved in water molecule and one oxygen atom O. Suppose if two oxygen is there means you can write 2, but water molecule is made of one oxygen and two hydrogen, so that the formula, that chemical formula can be exist as what? H2O. So all the matter or the chemical substance are made of what? Atoms and molecule. Atoms are nothing but tiny particles, and two or more atoms combine to form one, the molecules. For example, here you can see that the water molecule, and the atoms, which one is considered as an atom? Oxygen and hydrogen. Otherwise, these atoms are called, we can call it as what? Elements. These atoms are called it as element, and this cannot be, we cannot able to break into two. So here the water can be break as what? H2 and O. Here we can able to break hydrogen as well as oxygen atom, but here the atoms are indivisible particle. It is called what? The atoms are called what? Indivisible. Indivisible means, indivisible, we cannot able to divide, we cannot break into two, but the molecules we can able to make a, we can break the molecules into number of atoms, understand? So this is the difference between the atoms and the molecules. So all the matters are made of what? The atoms or molecules. So based on that, we are going to classify the matter as pure substance and mixture. You, from the word itself, you know that pure means what? So there is no other atoms or other molecules cannot mix into that. And the mixture, from the word mixture, two or more substances are mixed together are called mixture. So the pure substance can be classified as what? Compound and element. What we learn now? The hydrogen. Hydrogen can represent as H, and oxygen can represent as O. Carbon, the backbone of all the living things, living organisms are made of carbon only, so that it can able to burn and gives what? Black smoke, carbon. So these are all the elements. So indivisible particle, we cannot able to break the hydrogen atom into two or three, we cannot able to break oxygen or carbon. So these are all tiny particle as well as indivisible, and we cannot able to mix any other substance or element to this. And then the compound also. Now what we learn already, the water molecule. Water molecule is formed by two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. If it forms as a water, if it chemically combined to form as a water molecule, we cannot able to mix it with other element, understand? So this is called what? Stable. They can exist without changing. They can exist as what? H2O. After forming H2O, we cannot able to change it, so it can form the stable. So two or more atom combined to form what? Compound. So for sugar, the molecular formula is C12H22O11. So the chemical, see how many carbon atom combine here? 12 carbon atom and 22 hydrogen atom and 11 oxygen atom combined to form a compound called what? Sugar. And the salt, already we learned the salt. Salt is nothing but one, sodium chloride, NaCl. So here how many atoms are there? Two. One sodium atom and one chlorine atom. So this is what the matter, all the matter or the chemical substance can be classified as pure substance and mixture. Mixture means two or more substance combined to form a mixture. Two or more substance combined to form a mixture. This mixture can be classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous. The homo means similar. Similar, in the two or more substance they are mixed, they are found in the form of similar types of substance. The solution, if you take solution, sugar solution, salt solution, they are found in the form of liquid state only. It contains water and salt substance and water and sugar particle, but it exists as a liquid state, so that it is called what? Homogeneous. And the alloy means the metal, the two or more metals. Two or more metals can combine to form what? Alloy. Even our ornamental gold, what we are wearing, the gold is not the purest one. It can be mixed with the copper. So the ornamental gold also considered as one of the alloy of gold and copper. And then heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means different. Hetero means different. Homo means same, or you can say it as what? Same or similar. Same state. Here what? Different. And the sand particle, you can see that, for example, very easiest example, if you take sand particle, there are different kinds of substance present in the sand particle. Even though if you are eating the snacks, the mixture contain what? Different types of items, so that it is called as what? Mixture. Understand? So the mixture can be classified as two homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So the mixture is combination of two or more substance that can be separatable. Now we will see that what is meant by compound, element and mixture. How the mixture can be classified? The mixture can be classified as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So homo means similar, same type. They are found in the same state. If you go for salt solution, it can be exist as a liquid. And in the heterogeneous, they can be found in different states. So this is about the matter or the chemical substance. The chemical substance are classified as pure substance and mixture. And now next we are going to learn about one by one the pure substance, otherwise we called as what? Element. What is meant by element? The element is nothing but the made of a kind of atom. What I said already, the atoms, otherwise we called as what? Element. So the element is a kind of atom that cannot be broken down into simpler substance. So we cannot able to break the atom or element. So that then that substance is called what? Elements. So now with some of the examples, hydrogen, one of the hydrogen, these are all familiar to you all. Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, and then sodium, chlorine. So these are all calcium. Our bone is made of one? Calcium. And then aluminium. What in our day-to-day life domestic purpose we are using utensils made of what? The element called what? Aluminium. So these are all some of the elements. So this can be represented as what? Single hydrogen, H alone. This hydrogen we cannot able to break into 2 or 3. So what is that? The pure substance that are made of what? One kind of atom, and that cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical means what? By chemical reaction also we cannot able to break the elements, or otherwise we call this as what? Atom. So these are all the examples. So S means what? Sulfur. So these elements or the atoms can be represented by a symbol. That we will see later, that how to represent each element, their symbol. And then carbon. Instead of C, you can name it as what? Carbon. You should not read as C. You should name, you have to call by the name of the element, carbon. H now you should not call it as H. This can be called by hydrogen. Then O, oxygen. See, there are some of the example. Li, lithium. F, fluorine. P, phosphorus. K, potassium. So these are, K means you have to name the element as what? Potassium. Then O means you have to name the element or the atom as what? Oxygen, hydrogen, helium. So these are all about the element. Elements is what? It does not broken down, it cannot be broken down into simpler substance. Otherwise, we can represent the element as what? Atom. So, this is the atom also, or the element are considered as the one of the purest substance in the chemical substance. Next, the compound. The compound is also the pure substance only. It is formed by two or more elements. Combined chemically, they are going to combine chemically to form a compound. So, now here see the water molecule. From this you know that. So, what is the formula? H2O. H2O means this is two hydrogen and one oxygen. So, the water is going to form by two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom to form a compound called what? Water. And then these are all combined chemically by chemical bond. These are all combined by chemical bond. And then ammonia. The ammonia formula is NH3. NH3, how many nitrogen? 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So, 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atom combinedly to form as what? Ammonia. The compound called what? Ammonia. And then carbon dioxide. You know that carbon dioxide very well. One of the essential for the plants to prepare their food. CO2. CO2, how many carbon? CO2, 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. So, 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom chemically they combine to form the compound called what? Carbon dioxide. Once they form the compound, they are pure and that is stable one. And then next, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide formula H2O2. So, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So, 2 oxygen is going to combine with 2 hydrogen to form H2O is called, the compound is called what? Hydrogen peroxide. So, the compound also considered as the pure substance that are formed when 2 or more elements. So, 2 or more elements here, 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, 2 oxygen atom to form what? Carbon dioxide. So, 2 or more elements combine chemically to form a compound. So, this is about the compound and some of the examples of compound. And next, mixture. So, the chemical substance can be classified as pure substance and mixture. So, now the mixture, the substance that are formed here, 2 or more substance, they are mixed simply together but not chemically combined. You have to see the difference between the compound. The compound is what? 2 or more substance and simply mixed together, but they are chemical. So, now you see the compound. So, 2 or more substance, 2 or more substance element combined chemically are called what? So, you have to know the difference between the compound and the mixture. Compound also form 2 or more substance, 2 or more elements combined chemically to form one compound. But the mixture is, so now mixture also 2 or more substance, 2 or more substance mixed together but not chemically combined. Not chemically combined means we can able to separate it easily. If the compound, for example H2O, once it forms, we cannot able to separate as what? Hydrogen and oxygen. You can see here the many substances are combined, we can pick out and we can separate it easily. The mixture, even the mixture also, if you see that you can mix water with sugar, even that also can be separated. Water dissolve, the sugar dissolve in water, that called what? Sugar solution, even that also we can able to separate. So eatable mixture also you can see the variety of substance are mixed, that we can able to pick out and we can separately. So here the two or more atoms are combined and we can able to easily separate it. Because why we can able to easily separate it? Because they are not chemically combined. They are not, there is no force of bind between the two substances, so that we can able to separate it easily. So this is about what? The substance, the mixture. So the mixture, how the mixture is formed? Two or more substance mixed together but not chemically is called what? Mixture. So these are all about the chemical substance, and the chemical substance can be classified as pure substance and a mixture, and the pure substance elements, compound, and in the mixture you can see that the which one is not chemically combined are called what? Mixture. And the mixture also classified as homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. So we will see that remaining this all in the next class. Thank you.